Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have OPPO A3 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Our first step to see that is opening settings and activate our develop mode. To do that, scroll and choose about device, where we have our version, and we must tap some time to our version number. Now we must enter our look screen to confirm it, and we are developer right now. We can go back and choose our additional settings, where we have new selection developer option. We tap on it and their first memory. Now we can read information about our available random access memory. It is 3.42 GB right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.